Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you the greatest tool till now to get the best keywords and hashtags that you can use while promoting your designs and your products on Pinterest. And for sure, hashtags help your pins more to get found easily on search results in different search terms and queries. And to your knowledge, there are some ways to get these hashtags and these keywords, but they would take some time and need more retouch. However, if you need an accurate method, a faster way to get highly targeted keywords, so you have to use today's tool. This tool is called Pin Inspector. Pin Inspector is a software where you can get highly targeted keywords and hashtags that you can use in your title of pin, board name, description of your pin, and of course as hashtags. Okay. Easily go to this one, keywords, as you see here. Okay, click over that, and here in this search bar you have to type here your main keyword. You can call them as seed. Okay, for example, if we want to promote here any product like t-shirt with swimming quotes, with motivational quotes, stickers, hoodies, leggings, and so on, so you can type here your seeds, your keywords. Therefore, you will find a bunch of keywords that are related to your main keyword, highly targeted keywords. Okay. For example, if we want to promote on Pinterest stickers, okay, that you can use on laptops, iPhone cases, walls, fridges, and so on. So you can type here stickers as product as first seed. Okay, stickers, perfect. Okay, and of course we can add another seed like stickers for laptops. Okay, for example, stickers laptops, and therefore Pin Inspector will generate some keywords that are related to this main keywords that contains these seeds, stickers and laptops. Okay, so click over that, generate, just a few seconds, and you'll find a bunch of highly targeted keywords that are related to your main keyword. Okay, as you see here, for example, stickers para laptop, stickers laptop, stickers laptops, laptops with stickers. Okay, Game of Thrones stickers laptops as a niche or a topic, Harry Potter stickers laptops, laptops with stickers aesthetic, computer anime stickers laptops. Okay, aesthetic stickers for laptops, okay, and so on and so forth. As you see here, a long list of these keywords, highly targeted keywords, highly targeted hashtags. Okay, people search for these queries on Pinterest. Okay, searching for stickers that we can use on laptop. Okay, and in front of every single keyword or hashtag you will find here number, this rank, or its popularity on Pinterest as a search term, which means number one here means this keyword is the highest searched keyword on Pinterest, stickers for laptops. Okay, and therefore rank number two comes after number one. Okay, as printable stickers for laptops and so on and so forth. Okay, not just that, just we can click over that rank. Okay, and therefore you can queue up the first keywords ranked number one behind each others, as you see here, number one. Okay, and rank number two keywords come in the second place. Okay, number two and number three and number four and so on. And of course you can make a better filtration if you want Pin Inspector show only the first four ranked keywords. For example, just we can click over that rank. Okay, and the first five ranked keywords. Okay, so we can check over that keywords less than 5, rank number 5. Okay, click over that, apply, perfect, and here you will find all ranked keywords, the fourth place, the third place, and second place, and the highest searched keyword. Okay, as you see here, perfect, highly targeted keyword just in few seconds. Okay, and now let's try another query. Just firstly we can clear these results, clear from here, perfect, clear, remove this search term, this main keyword. And if you want to promote leggings for yoga, for example, just we can type here leggings or pants, okay, yoga or for yoga, okay, 2 seats in your main keyword, generate, and here you will find highly targeted keywords related to this main keyword. Leggings yoga, like leggings yoga outfit, leggings yoga pattern, leggings yoga stretches, yoga leggings outfit casual, okay, best yoga leggings, and so on. If you want to promote your Redbubble leggings, okay, or T-Public leggings or Teespring leggings on Pinterest to get more views, to get more traffic, to get more sales, okay. And of course we can do as a previous one, more filtration, okay. The first place ranked highly keyword, as you see here, number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. Or just we can make a narrower filtration, okay, for less than 3rd ranked keywords, apply, and here you will find only the keywords ranked number 1, number 2, and number 3 that are related to this main keyword, like TikTok, yoga leggings, low-rise yoga leggings, and so on, okay. So how to copy these hashtags to use in your title, your board name, your description, and as hashtags? Super easy. Just select some of these keywords, okay, like this one. Just press Ctrl in keyboard, okay, white yoga leggings, like this one, yoga leggings outfit winter, okay, beyond yoga leggings, TikTok, and so on. And okay, and right click on mouse, copy the copy highlighted items to clipboard, as you see here, and just paste in your title, your description, and as hashtags, okay. Super easy, okay. And of course in this software, this awesome software Pin Inspector, you can just go to this trends, okay, and here you can know the newly updated trends to cope with new trends, okay. Or pins, here you can search for the highest ranked pins related to a given keyword to get inspired with like the image used, hashtags used, the title of pin, and the description, and so on, okay. So if we type here search a phrase like stickers, for example, okay, laptop, search, and here you will find the highest ranked pins related to this keyword, as you see here, with other metrics like saves, okay, repins, and comments, and likes, and wow, and so on, description, categories, hashtags used, okay, and the date of creation, and so on and so forth, okay, thumbnail image, and a lot of these given metrics, okay. Perfect. And to have a closer look at these pins, just to click over that, for example, okay, and you'll find this awesome pin, okay, for your given keyword, stickers, laptop, okay. So you can get inspired with title, description, and so on and so forth, okay. Back to our software. And of course, Pin Inspector is not a free tool, it's a paid tool. You have to pay one-time payment, which is about $67. However, there are more ice in the cake. To get Pin Inspector now, you can get $20 off from the link below in the first comment and the description box. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.